As we demonstrate a ride, showing you what the light looks like. And go through a couple of modes. With the high brightness level, able to be seen at night, visible 1,000 feet. Getting to the 6 modes is simply doing a short press to turn on high, short press for medium, low, and back off. A double press gets you into the rapid and single flash mode. That's the rapid, single press, a slow flash mode. A long press shuts it off. Double press. We have an SOS mode that simply just gets into there by a double press again. And then to shut it off is simply a long press and it is shut off and then back to high. What we're going to do is just ride out and back with the high and the flicker. As we turn around, you can see the light, how bright it is. It's adjustable. And we're going to double press for you. We have the flicker on. As you can see, it hits a distance of 1,000 feet. And then what we'll do is we switch over to the single flicker. We're here reviewing the light in the highest mode, as you can see. Nice and bright. Shines. We have a medium mode to turn off. And a low mode. Double press it for the rapid and double press it for dual COBs. Extension bar, 10,000 milliamp, 2,400 lumens on the highest level of brightness and the maximum of runtime. You have a phone holder and a GPS, speedometer, etc. holder on the top. Redcomets, 2,400 lumens, power bank, and more. It's a bike light, walking light, 120 degrees with the power bank, 10,000 milliamps. For bicycles, e-scooters, and more, simply close up and ready for use. Adjust the angle for your desired level. Open up the USB door, IP rated 65. The unit's already on and charges your cell phones. Sits in the cradle, locks into place. Your GPS monitoring system and more. Check online for further details about the product. I hope you enjoy your product and the demonstration of the Redcomets for e-bikes, bicycle handlebars, and more. Thank you for viewing.